Get this, nearly 2 of 3 Las Vegas homes now sell below asking. Buyers, you finally have leverage. Let's talk about something the headlines are missing. Buyer leverage is quietly returning to the Las Vegas Valley. Prices are still at record highs, but if you know where to look, buyers have more room to negotiate right now than any time since the frenzy. Here's the full picture for Las Vegas, Henderson and Summerlin. Start here. Roughly 63% of Las Vegas closings are now finishing below the original list price. Homes are selling around 2% under asking on average. That does not mean prices are crashing. It means sellers are meeting buyers in the middle again. And that's a huge shift from the bidding wars of 2 years ago. It goes further. About 31% of sales now include seller concessions. A median around $7,800, going straight toward your closing costs or a mortgage rate buydown. Ask for it. In this market, plenty of sellers will say yes. The leverage is biggest at the top. Luxury homes over $1 million are averaging 71 days on market, versus just weeks for mid-priced homes. If you're shopping above $1 million, you can take your time and negotiate hard. Now here's why this is unusual. The median single-family home held at $490,000, a record high for the second straight month, up 1% from last year. You're getting negotiating leverage without a price crash. That's rare. Condos and townhomes went the other way, slipping to $292, down 4.3%. If a house feels out of reach, that dip is still your most affordable ticket into the valley. Why the shift? Inventory climbed to about 2.6 months of supply, near a balanced market, while 30-year mortgage rates have hovered around 6.6% for over a year. More homes plus patient buyers equals leverage. But watch the calendar. Forecasters project 2 rate cuts by year-end, possibly pushing rates toward 6%. When that happens, buyers flood back and this leverage evaporates. New construction is where the deals are richest. Henderson and Summerlin builders are stacking rate buydowns and price cuts right now. So what's the play? Buyers, this is your window. Negotiate price, ask for concessions, and lock a builder incentive before rates drop. Sellers, price sharp and it still moves. And if you're out of state, I'll register you and video tour any home, so you can shop from anywhere. No stress, no worries. Follow Megan E Realty, every Henderson builder and deal, updated weekly at hendersonnvnewhomes.com. Out of state? I'll tour it for you.